How to find lost AirPods. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to find lost AirPods. So let's begin. What I would like you to do first is make sure that you are on the latest version of your iOS. So to do that, simply open Settings, go to General, and go to Software Update right here. And then make sure to click on Download and Install if you have the latest update available. And then assuming that you have done that, make sure also to turn on the the location services on privacy. So open settings once again, search for privacy, and then go to location services. Then click on this toggle button found on the rightmost part of the location services option. And then now you may go to the app called Find My. So this app is free and is already built in on your iPhone. And then do take note as well that some AirPods, which is I think the very first AirPods, doesn't have the GPS or in which you may be able to locate it. However, most of the AirPods right now has those um have those GPS tracker or those location services. So go to Find My right here and then make sure to click on Devices right here. Once you're in Devices, make sure to scroll up and look for the the AirPods that you have. So, for example, this one. So simply click on that AirPods and then you should wait for it to load. And sometimes it will um, load until I mean, the AirPods will be located. So also, you should make sure that your iPhone is connected to a working internet connection, such as your Wi-Fi or your mobile data. And then you may be able to locate your AirPod, and you may click on directions if you want to, and then you may play a sound as well. So make sure that for example, the first AirPod is lost and then the right AirPod is with you. Make sure not to wear it while playing the sound because it will play a sound that is very loud and might hurt your ear. So that's it. That's how you can find your lost AirPod. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.